This is an Ecclesiastic Steward mini I bought from Ramshackle Games, and it is going to be the base model for the final Accursed Cultist Mutant in this part 5 of my Kitbashed Accursed Cultist series. I started using bits from the official Accursed Cultist kit in the last video, and I figured I might as well keep doing that. I will probably clean up the remaining cultist parts from the kit for regular cultists, or maybe try to kitbash together a dark commune. And the more mutated demon parts will go towards maybe some revamped, possessed Chaos Space Marines, because the ones I made in years past pale in comparison to these cultists. Inspiration for this one? Let's see. I'm not a Final Fantasy fan. Not that I have anything against those games, I just never played any of them and feel like I missed the boat on that franchise. So when I think of One-Winged Angel, I don't think of, is it Sephiroth? I think of the wrestler Kenny Omega, who is clearly a fan of Final Fantasy. I mean, he has a theme song made by the same composer that scored those games. Incredible wrestler, by the way. Okada Omega 1 at Wrestle Kingdom reignited my love for pro wrestling. I was just grinning like an idiot the whole time. Anyway, the loose concept for this guy was not One-Winged Angel, but Demon. I'm not a fan of kit bashes where random bits are just glued on without any attention paid to how they would logically be incorporated into the creature that the miniature is representing. The spike arm is a fleshy mess, so it's easily blended in with a bit of sprue goo. This massive demon wing is bursting out of the cultist's back, so it would be tearing through the robe, which I'm not great at sculpting tattered clothing. You can kind of see that in video 2 of this series, but I tried. And the cowl part of the robe would just sort of rest on the newly formed wing. I made a partial copy of a random demon model with Oyumaru and cast it in green stuff, which didn't turn out great. So I did a little bit of cleanup. I used a micro bead for an eye that didn't really turn out. And then I glued it onto one of the heads that came with the Ecclesiastic Steward mini. This big boy barely fit on the 25mm base, so he looks extra imposing. Somebody get this dude some shoes. Sandals, at least. He's letting them dogs bark. If you've been digging these cultist kit bashes, you know what? Yeah, One-Winged Angel the like button. Okay, next video, we start on the torments.